Are you tired of feeling like your money disappears the moment you earn it? You're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down why your finances feel out of control and the exact steps you need to take to reclaim your financial freedom. Let's decode your budget $1 at a time. Welcome to Budget Decoder, the place where we simplify your finances so you can live smarter and stress-free. I'm here to help you understand your money, take control of your budget, and turn financial goals into reality no matter where you're starting from. If that sounds like what you need, don't forget to hit subscribe and join the Budget Decoder family. Let's face it, most of us aren't taught how to manage money. Instead, we fall into habits like overspending, living paycheck to paycheck, or letting debt pile up without realizing it. Sound familiar? The truth is, financial chaos comes from three things. 1. No clear plan for your money. 2. Not tracking where it goes. 3. And ignoring small habits that bleed your wallet dry. But don't worry, every problem has a solution. And that's what we're here to decode. Here's how you can fix your finances starting today. 1. Track every dollar. Start writing down every expense, yes, even your coffee runs. Apps like Mint or NAB can help simplify this. 2. Create a budget that works for you. Budgeting isn't about cutting all the fun. It's about knowing where your money goes. Use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt repayment. 3. Eliminate the biggest money leaks, cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home more often, and avoid impulse purchases. You'd be surprised how much you save with these small changes. 4. Set realistic goals, whether it's paying off $5,000 in debt or saving for a dream vacation. Write down your goals and break them into small, achievable milestones. Remember, mastering your money doesn't happen overnight, but every small step adds up. Start today by tracking your expenses and creating a plan that works for you. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and drop a comment below about your biggest financial challenge. Let's build this community together. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips that will decode your budget and transform your financial future. This is Budget Decoder, where every dollar makes sense. See you in the next video.